In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove a password from your Notion account. If you've been using Notion for a while, you might want to streamline how you access your account. Maybe you're integrating other login methods like Google or Apple authentication and want to simplify your login process. Today, I'll walk you through this straightforward process, step by step, ensuring you can follow along easily. First, you're going to want to make sure you're logged into Notion. Open your browser and enter notion.so into the address bar, or simply launch the Notion desktop application if it's installed on your computer. Once you've navigated to the home page, go ahead and log in using your current credentials if you're not already logged in. This will bring you directly into your workspace. Once you're inside your Notion dashboard, you'll want to locate the settings. Look towards the upper left corner of the page, and you'll notice an icon or tab that often says Settings or features 3 horizontal lines, sometimes called a hamburger menu. Click on this and you'll see a drop-down menu. From this menu, choose the My Account option. This selection will navigate you to your personal account settings page, where you can customize various aspects of your Notion user experience. On the My Account page, you'll want to focus on the section titled Login Methods. This section will show you all the ways you can currently access your Notion account. Typically, if you have a password set, it will be displayed here alongside any third-party login methods, like Google or Apple, that you've previously linked to your account. Now, to remove your password, you'll need to look for the password option itself. Usually, it's displayed as a line item under your login methods. Next to this, you'll see an option that allows you to remove or change it. Click on the option to remove your password. Notion will prompt you for confirmation, possibly asking you to authenticate your decision with a current login method like pressing Authorize or confirming through your linked email or service. Once you've confirmed, your password will be removed from your account login methods. From now on, you'll rely solely on the alternative login methods you have set up, such as Google or Apple. This approach not only simplifies your login routine, but also helps keep your account secure by using advanced authentication methods offered by these providers. And there you have it. You've now successfully removed your password from your Notion account. Remember that if you ever decide to re-enable a password for any reason, you can follow similar steps to reintroduce it to your login methods. Thank you for following along with today's tutorial. If you found it helpful, don't hesitate to like and subscribe for more how-to content. Have a fantastic day.